As like I mentioned in the video before, today I will talk about the vowels and consonants in Hangeul, which is same as Korean. In the last video, we covered about how vowels and consonants in Hangeul was created and talked about how vowels were made from the shape of the sky, land, and human body. If we go on top of what we learned before, we can create other vowels by combining basic vowel shape with basic vowel shape. So it will become like this, what I underlined. So if we look at the example for this one, we can create a by combining e, which represent human body, and a dot, which represent a sky. In the picture below this one applies the same, so we can create O by combining a dot, which resembles the sky, and a land, which resembles and same applies for these ones too. So if we look at this, a dot becomes this, and if we look at dot over here, it becomes like kind of like a straight line. So we can say a dot over here equals a straight line like this, or it can be like this, or it can be like this, or it can be like this. And if we go farther than that, we can create other vowels by combining 3 basic vowel shape. So for example, ya can be created when combining e, a dot, and a dot. And another example can be can be combined e, a dot, and a e again, which makes . And for ye, this requires 4 basic vowel shape. And for this we, this requires 5 basic vowel shape. In this slide, I will talk about the consonants. In the last video, I talked about how consonants were made based on the shape of the vocal organs. These principles applied and were based on the first 5 basic consonants, which is 기역, 니은, 미음, 시옷, and 이응. First, 기역. This refers to the shape of the root of the tongue blocking the throat. This shows the example, but and the second one, 니은, refers to the tongue that is stuck to the upper gums, which shows in this picture. 미음 refers to the shape of the lips, which this picture shows, and 시옷 refers to the shape of the tooth, which can be seen from this picture, and 이응 refers to the shape of the throat, which can be seen here. we can add strokes to the basic consonant to make another consonant. So we can add strokes to kiok to make kiok, and we can add strokes to dian to make tigut, tiut, lier, and we can add strokes to bium to make piut, piup, piup, and we can add strokes to siut to make tiut and tiut, and we can add strokes to iut, iung to make hit. And we can add same letter to form a stronger pronunciation. So we add the same letter, which is 기억 and 기억, to make 쌍기억. And we add 디귿 and 디귿 together to make 쌍디귿. And it goes on and on. And for this is the only thing that we can add the same letter to form a stronger pronunciation. So we can, there's no consonant such as like this or something like this. Only this can be added to the same letter to form a stronger pronunciation.